Hi, Chris Tidy from Centurion Safety Products. Just wanted to go through with you today how to clean safety helmet or hard hat. So I'll show you how to take the cradle actually out of the helmet and then basically how to actually clean it. So grab my safety helmet, you can see it here. This is our Nexus helmet, and you can see inside there, you can see the cradle. This is this part here. In ours specifically, we have a 6-point cradle, so that's really good. Offers a lot more protection in case of impacts actually to the top of the helmet. So there's that. And to actually take it out, what you need to be doing is, can you see those areas actually there? Yeah, those actually need to pop out. So we'll start actually by this one, and we'll just, you can see, just pop it out of there. And same the other side, so you can see, just pop that out of there. And then we'll just move on to the back, and I'll just move my hands so physically you can see me just pop that actually out of there, and then round to the other side. Okay, see, please just pop that out of there like so, and then we'll just do the sides. Okay, so we've taken the sides out, so that's actually our cradle out with our sweatband. I'll just pop the helmet down. Now to actually clean this, obviously you can do this with a wipe, and you can do the plastic areas actually with a wipe. The sweatband, this part here on the front, can actually be removed. This one is a Drytex sweatband, so it's machine washable, so you can just pop it in the washing machine and pop it back on again, or you can actually buy spares of this. Actually you can buy spares of the whole entire cradle. So making sure, obviously, if you're using wipes, you just give that a wipe with an antimicrobial wipe that you can see there, or if you was using perhaps a solution, you could just give it a spray, and then once you've given it a spray, you'll need to leave it to actually air dry. Okay, so for the helmet itself, you can see obviously we've just got the shell actually now. So again, if we're just wiping the surface, we're just going to wipe over the area like so. Whenever we're wiping anything with, say, a wipe or using a solution or anything like that, you need to leave it on for about 30 seconds, something like that, just to allow it to obviously activate and kill any viruses or germs that are actually on there. Okay, so you'll give that a nice wipe over. Now the best thing to do with PPE is to actually let it air dry. Okay, so that will give that chance for that agent to actually work from the wipe itself. Okay, now if we were using, say, a spray solution that you can see there that I have in the bottle, you can actually then spray the inside like so, making sure you cover all the inside area. Again, leave it for around 30 seconds, something like that, before you actually take any excess moisture off. You can do that with a bit of kitchen roll like I have here, or obviously anything like that. So you'll just take all of that moisture actually out of there, and again you'll leave the rest of that to actually air dry. Okay, so when we're looking at actually putting the sweatband and the cradle actually back in, we need to make sure that the sweatband area, so this point actually at the front, is at the front of the helmet. Okay, so it's going to sit in like that, and we're going to do the front and the back first. Okay, so I'll try and turn it so you can physically see. So what we're going to do is we're just going to locate that actually into there. Okay, and once we've located it into there, we're just going to give that a push just to make sure that's in there. Same for this front part as well. Again, just locate it actually into there and just give it a push to make sure it's actually in there, like so. Okay, so that's just clicked into there, you can see that. And then onto the back, I'm leaving the sides for the time being. So onto the back area, just click that into there, again into there, and just click it into place. And onto the back area, like so, just click it into place right there, just push that down. Sorry, I'm just trying to show you as well at the same time, you can see that there. And then when it looks at the side areas, when we hook in, make sure that you go underneath this part of the cradle. Okay, don't go over the top of the part of the cradle, make sure you're actually going underneath. Yeah, so the way to do that, again, just take it, and you can see if I move it around that way, you can see me actually going in underneath. Okay, underneath the cradle, and then just fitting in. And then the other side, again, I won't show you this time, just lifting in and actually then underneath the cradle. Okay, so that's all fixed in there. Make sure that it is actually in there, just give it a couple of tugs, obviously make sure that it's actually in there and nice and safe. So that's how to clean your safety helmet, hard hat, using either a wipe or this, which could be a solution, could be a sodium hypochlorite solution, could be anything like that. Now, for more information on the type of solutions that you need to use, if you head over to our website, on there you will go click on the advice section, and it will show you a cleaning and maintenance guide. Okay, and that will give you all the different solutions that you're able to use to be able to clean your safety helmet. Okay, so that's me, Chris, showing you how to clean your safety helmet. Thanks very much for watching, and please look after yourself, but most of all, obviously, take care and stay safe.